Hit this room, start setting up. The model gonna be here in like the next 30 minutes. We have a late nigga time. But yeah, just stay tuned. I'm about to show y'all a day in the life of what we do on one of these sets. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Like talking like that when it comes to all this stuff, but what's going on right now is we had a room. It's a single room, but the photos didn't end up looking like how the photos we saw online were, right? So Zeke is down here checking on another room right now, seeing about the double room, what the double room look like, get a little more space, see what we can do. And yeah, it's just like certain technical difficulties that be going on in certain things. We did our best to do our scouting, but they wouldn't let you see inside the rooms or anything until you actually paid. So now that we paid and we got to see stuff, you know, it's kind of like we got set up for the okie doke. But it is what it is. We're gonna make it happen no matter what. So I'll update y'all on when we get into the next room. Forgot to update y'all. We are finally in the room. It's exactly how we needed it. Dirty ass. Got the table and everything. So right now we setting up. Got the shot list going. Trying to figure everything out. Setting up the camera and stuff. So yeah, we just in here doing what we gotta do. Hustling. Model almost here. Tight. And other than that, getting the stuff out, chilling. So yeah, let's keep going. My shooting shoes. Anytime I'm on set, I bring these out. Goddamn, man, it's I once seen like a video of Childish Gambino and some dirty Cortezes, and I was just like, man, they so run down. That's cool. I wish I was that free to just have some Cortezes that's dirty as hell. So I bought these and I started wearing them on every single set, and just like I'm gonna have these to be my little Childish Gambino shoot shoes. So anytime I'm on set or doing something wild, I just wear these to get them as dirty as possible. It's just me, bro. I don't really care about having clean shoes. I done broke the matrix, bro. I ain't even tripping, but yeah, I'm about to put these boys on. I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Tight shit. Yeah. About to pop out like that, guy? Nasty. The rest of this video I'm using to talk about the epic fail that we had when it came to shooting the rest of this project. A lot of this footage is going to be stuff that we do not have any photos of, right? At the end of the day, we shot film. We only got one look out of, I think, like 4 or 5 looks that we actually did. And that was mainly because it wasn't a camera issue, it was a lens issue. And the lens that we had on the medium format camera ended up having some kind of problem where it did not produce the photos. So when we went to go develop the photos, we had nothing but blank photos, just complete blackness. And that's one of the things that we run into when it comes to shooting film, but that's just part of the game, part of taking it on the chin for this. You know, we love this aesthetic so much that whatever it comes with, you know. But this is really going to push us to go more into digital because, man, we did like 4 or 5 looks and we didn't really get nothing but this one look right here, right? And as beautiful as it is, we had so much more great content for you guys, and we were doing this to use it for our portfolios and to just push ourselves to our next level and just set this standard for this is the work that we want to do going forward, right? And this was something that was thought on for a while, and this was something that we in our hearts was like, this is going to be that project that can push us over here to start doing this, open this up, open that up, you know what I'm saying? And it was just sad to see it just dwindle away because whatever issue. And that's something I want to say is that no matter what, just keep going, you know what I'm saying? This journey comes with a lot of ups and downs, and this was a huge one. But no matter what, we already getting together and plotting the next project. You know, we got 2 short films coming up that we're working on, and of course more shoots that we're working on every single day. So just gonna take this with a grain of salt, keep moving, keep pushing, keep hustling. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video if you like it. Peace out, man.